La Cabra is something else. No. No.
Just a Zulu man.
This is the what? This is the Mr. MXR8. Rusty Fake is the Rush Hour DJ Sleek B2P Mash BT Pop mix. I think this is where I saw the track La Pisa. So they're playing artists to perform while they're DJing. This is the Friends of what? No, it's not the Friends of Amstel, something else. Ricky must be proud wherever he is, bro. Seeing not Mesh, DJ Sleek putting the kids on. Who want the smoke? Una meta cold, get away to our tepe. Can it away to our tepe? Resort to our tepe. Bula iPhone, we say the code to get away to our Kalegi spina get walla lyric galaxy pocket is so good. No performance, no microphone, no nothing. Who is this guy? What's his name again? Lotin what Pound. I don't really listen to the Pitori side. I'm a Mustang guy, but I've heard of him. I need to check out his store. I might even be talking about a different guy. I don't know this guy, but I need to check out his store. I think he had this. Here's this Punyete store that he's running. Why the crowd isn't vibing? Are they real? Because the song La Pisa is not out. So I'm guessing they're performing songs that are not out. I should go there with my camera and get dope snaps. No gigi gagare festive. Nagaberega tla khutali bitle pare bonyete vitlile mafike honka di bache ke manga bo file shika ma numbers ke manga mo file natka jala na logre ya etile hoga kita yo logre ya yo shile swisha na rasa ga utlore bitse tseni di game yongre ya di mite Meshon grade ki betela khoto ya perele jasarem fana gan tepe sligare namela bitiga spiti ambotorem fana gan tepe dropile hiti tenaga mo plumu ba. That's the sign for Punyeta, because he's doing like this, and I've seen people doing like that, and people are rocking Kalex Boy here. I also saw the chain that he's putting on, that he has. Listen to the beat switch, bro. Listen to the switch. Listen to the switch here. Oh. This is the kind of type vibe, bro. The luxury type beat. Yeah, Mesh is a good DJ, bro. Yeah, I'm waiting for this one. Listen to this flow, listen to this flow. Bro, let's fix this, let's bring it back to the center. La Cabra is something else. Yo. Yo.
Sugar mama Lina Maybach, yes.
Yo. Sugar Mama Nani.
Yes. Sugar mama Lina Maybach, yes. My bed. Superstar me ain't just say yes. Don't my message à la pêche. I put in love on any passion. I was never smooth and melon sevens. Wake up le name and pressure. Had to put in the work, melancholy gallo. I'm telling Benji, melancholy gallo. Malam se colo me spana gallo. Sugar lelo. I'm telling Benji, melancholy gallo. Malam se colo me spana gallo. Sugar lelo. Break off and analo. Shawty saw me more better. Yes. Saw myself I get success. Yes. Qualified for the mid. It's in a spot like a better. Hop on the way, super dead. Cause I'm in over one better.
Why is my internet disappointing me now, bro? Why? Still early for this. Why is my internet doing this? What's happening? What's happening with my internet now? Let's carry on with this, bro.
It's in a spot like a better. Hop on the way, super dead. Cause I'm in over one better. Too slam, I'm lying baby. Pull up and then I'm a Maybach. Hop on the way, super dead. Cause I'm in over one better.
I wonder who's next.
I'm lying baby. Pull up and then I'm a Maybach. Says I love this in cups on me. Second listen cups on me. Says I love this in cups on me. Second listen cups on me. Says I love this in cups on me. Second listen cups on me. Says I love this in cups on me. Second
La Cabra really worked here, bro. He put some work here. What's this now? Oh, it's Steve.
Sleep in the studio, hung, I'ma beat it. I took a break from the mic, I'm undefeated. We don't got to touch on my brother, so I got you right.
Alright. Sleep in the studio, make no excuses. At this point, I think I need 20 more suits. No longer a student, so I do not need your
Everyone's looking Alex boy here. After 5 minutes, I'm done with this video, bro. I needed to see La Cabra, that's all.
advice. Alright, too many people who want me to lose it. At some point I wanted to start making music, but got right back to it, cause fuck it, the money's alright. Pouring that shit to the floor, then we making a toast. This one for all of the highs and the lows. Everything else in between is too deep, and I swear that it's better we leave it untold. Close ones turning to Galaxy phones. Seen them all flipping, I seen them all fold. Fuck them, they all went to Brutus from bros. Pray over things that I cannot control. I know that this is the life that I chose. Pray over things that I cannot control. I know that this is the life that I chose. Pray over things that
I cannot control. I know that this is the life that I chose. Pray over things that I cannot control. I know that this is the life that I chose.
Scott. Jello slim, I got feelings, I'm sending on mine. Hoes in the back on no snap, no mine. Sucking that shit as I peel it on mine. How about goals? How about goals? How about goals? How about bulls?
I don't
How
even know
about
who
bulls?
this is,
How about
but the song is dope.
How about soon as I come in, it gave me a fight. Yes, now I'm betting up and they gone. Put me to ban very sauce, I gone. Go to the I'm thinking about